We're on. Oh, okay. Well, I've seen an unboxing of this before, but maybe this is the first unboxing done by a guy. It's the Janome 4300 QDC. This is my new sewing machine, and I gotta say, I'm very excited because I've been using a Walmart one that I'm pretty sure cost me like $70 or something. And it's ruined a lot of projects that I've been trying. And I'm really new. I'm new to this sewing thing, but this is a huge upgrade. Massive. These are the foam pieces. Okay. Let's see here. So, this is the extended table. Cord. Things. This is that extra part that you get with the QDC part is the quilting attachment. So, looking forward to using that. And then the machine is inside of a container here. I guess maybe the lid comes out. Oh my, this looks really, really beautiful. I'm just saying. We'll just use the handle. There it is. That is quite a step up from what I have. Very excited. Foot pedal. What else happens in an unboxing? Do we do anything else other than we just unbox it? Or am I missing something? Is there something I'm missing? I've unboxed it and this is what it looks like. I'm very excited about it. Okay, yeah. My videographer gave me the nod. We're back on here. This is very exciting. The next video is going to be about setting it up and trying it out, and we'll see how we do. There's my buddy. Putting life into perspective here. Here is my cheapo Walmart Brother LS2129. Really, this thing doesn't really work very well. And then my new friend. Can't wait. Also, going to watch this instructional DVD, because really, I have no idea how to use it.